If you're over 60 and think staying strong means a hefty bill for fancy protein powders or specialty butcher shop steaks, I'm about to deliver some incredible news. The secrets I'm sharing today won't just save you a serious amount of money, they'll help you build more real-world functional strength than those overhyped supplements ever could. Here's the harsh reality. After we pass the age of 50, we can lose up to 2% of our muscle mass every single year. That's a frightening thought, and the fitness industry is all too happy to sell you their expensive solutions. But the truth is, some of the most powerful muscle-building foods on the planet are hiding in plain sight on the budget aisles of your grocery store. For years, I've looked into why some seniors are impressively strong well into their 80s and 90s. The answer wasn't spending more money. It was choosing foods their bodies could actually use more effectively. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 of these affordable protein powerhouses. I'll explain the science behind why they work so well for bodies over 60, and I'll give you simple ways to prepare them for maximum benefit. And stick with me, because the 5th food is a plant-based powerhouse that is a total game changer, and you don't want to miss it. Food number 1 is eggs. First on our list is the astonishingly effective and humble egg. At around $2.50 a dozen, you get 6 grams of complete, high-quality protein per egg, making them a cost-effective muscle-building tool. But it's not just the amount of protein that matters, it's the quality. Eggs boast one of the highest protein quality scores of any whole food, meaning your body absorbs and uses virtually all of it. This is a huge advantage for seniors, as our body's ability to process protein can decline with age. Here's the secret that most people get wrong. They throw away the yolk. Half of an egg's protein plus crucial nutrients for muscle health, like leucine and vitamin D, are found in the yolk. In fact, a groundbreaking study from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after a workout sparked a 40% greater muscle-building response than eating just egg whites. The nutrients in the yolk create a powerful synergy that isolated powders can't match, all for about 20 cents an egg. Plus, they are easy to chew and digest, making them perfect for almost anyone. Start your day with a simple 2-egg scramble. Keep a few hard-boiled eggs in the fridge for a go-to portable snack. Slice a hard-boiled egg over a salad to instantly turn it into a full muscle-supporting meal.
Food number 2, Greek yogurt. Next up is Greek yogurt, a creamy and convenient protein hero. A large tub, costing around $5, packs a punch with 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving. While a single cup might cost more than an egg, buying in bulk makes it one of the most efficient protein sources you can find. What truly sets Greek yogurt apart for seniors is its 1-2 protein punch. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and, crucially, slow-digesting casein protein. Think of it this way. Whey gives your muscles a quick burst of fuel right when you need it, but casein acts like a slow-release IV drip of amino acids, nourishing your muscles for hours. This slow drip effect is vital for overcoming anabolic resistance, a condition where aging muscles become less responsive to protein. Research shows that seniors who consumed casein protein, especially before bed, saw significant boosts in muscle growth because it fuels the body's natural overnight repair cycle. On top of that, it's a champion for bone health, with its rich calcium content, and the probiotics support a healthy gut, which is essential for nutrient absorption. If you're finding these science-backed tips helpful, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our future videos breaking down complex health topics into simple, actionable advice. Use it as a base for a breakfast bowl with berries and nuts. Blend it into your smoothies for a creamy, protein-packed boost. Swap out sour cream or mayo on baked potatoes or in dips to slash fat and add a serious dose of protein. Food number 3, chicken breast. Our 3rd food is a true cornerstone of strength, the boneless, skinless chicken breast. When it comes to getting the most protein for the fewest calories, it's virtually in its own league. A single 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast delivers a massive 31 grams of complete protein. A piece just the size of a deck card provides a substantial portion of your daily protein needs. Its lean profile is critical because it helps you build pure muscle without adding excess body fat, which can contribute to inflammation. Cost-wise, buying chicken breast in bulk or looking out for sales makes it one of the most affordable lean meats available. It's also packed with B vitamins, which are essential for converting food into the energy you need to stay active and strong. The best part? Its mild flavor makes it incredibly versatile. Baking is one of the healthiest and easiest methods. A little seasoning in the oven and you've got prepared protein for days. Poaching it in broth results in incredibly tender, moist meat, perfect for those who find chewing difficult. It can then be shredded for salads, soups, or sandwiches. Stir-frying it in bite-sized pieces with colorful vegetables creates a quick, balanced, and delicious meal.
Food number 4, beans and lentils. This next category proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that you do not need to rely on animal products to build formidable strength. Welcome to the world of beans and lentils, the undisputed kings of frugal nutrition and the unsung heroes of the pantry. Let's be clear, embracing these foods is like discovering a financial and physiological superpower for healthy aging. A single cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein, while black beans offer around 15 grams. Now, you may have heard that beans and lentils are incomplete proteins. This term has unfortunately scared many people away, but the reality is wonderfully simple. It just means they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids in optimal amounts in a single serving. But here's the secret. Your body is smart. It maintains a pool of amino acids from everything you eat throughout the day. So by simply pairing beans or lentils with a whole grain like brown rice, a slice of whole wheat toast, or even some quinoa at some point during your day, you've given your body the complete set of building blocks it needs for muscle repair and growth. You don't even need to eat them in the same meal. Where these foods truly dominate, without any competition, is on price. A 1-pound bag of dried lentils can cost less than $2 and yield a staggering 8 or more servings of protein-rich food. We are talking about mere pennies per serving. When you compare that to any other food on this list, or any food in the grocery store for that matter, beans and lentils offer the most protein bang for your buck, making them an absolute cornerstone for anyone on a fixed income or simply looking to eat smarter. But their magic goes far beyond the price tag. It's the potent protein and fiber combination that is pure gold for the senior body. This dynamic duo works in beautiful synergy. The fiber slows down the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream, which helps manage blood sugar levels, preventing those energy-draining spikes and crashes. For heart health, the soluble fiber acts like a sponge, actively binding to cholesterol particles and escorting them out of your body. And let's not forget digestive health. Fiber is the preferred food for the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome, which is fundamental for absorbing all the nutrients from your food. Getting them into your diet is both easy and delicious. A hearty lentil soup is a timeless classic for a reason. It's warming, deeply nutritious, and incredibly simple to prepare a large batch of for the week. You can transform a simple salad from a light side course into a satisfying main course by just sprinkling on a half cup of chickpeas. Or try this brilliant tip. The next time you make chili, tacos, or pasta sauce, replace half the ground meat with mashed black beans or brown lentils. You'll slash the cost and saturated fat while dramatically increasing the fiber and nutrients. Your wallet, your heart, and your muscles will thank you.
Food number 5, tofu. And now for our final food, the one I promised you at the beginning. It's time to put any old-fashioned skepticism aside and embrace the surprisingly versatile plant-based builder that everyone over 60 should get to know: tofu. If beans and lentils are the frugal kings, then tofu is the sophisticated plant-based champion, delivering premium nutrition with incredible efficiency. Here's what makes tofu a true plant-based superstar, setting it apart from many other plant foods. It is a complete protein. This puts it in the exact same high-quality league as the eggs and chicken we discussed earlier. It provides all 9 essential amino acids your body must get from food to build and repair muscle tissue. A single half-cup serving of firm tofu delivers a stunning 18 to 20 grams of this high-quality protein. This means you get all that muscle-building potential with the added benefits of 0 cholesterol and very little saturated fat, which is a monumental win for cardiovascular health as we get older. And the cost? It's remarkably inexpensive. A block of tofu, which can easily provide 2 or 3 servings, is a fraction of the price of meat. But its real genius lies in its culinary nature. Tofu is like a blank canvas. It brilliantly acts like a sponge, soaking up the flavor of any sauce, marinades, or seasoning you cook it with. This is its secret weapon. It can be savory, spicy, or even sweet, seamlessly integrating into your favorite meals. Tofu also comes with special perks that are particularly beneficial for older adults. It's an excellent source of iron, which is vital for energy production and preventing anemia. Furthermore, if you choose a calcium set variety, just look for calcium sulfate in the ingredients. It becomes a fantastic source of bone-building calcium, helping to fortify your skeleton against age-related decline and osteoporosis. Tofu is also rich in compounds called isoflavones. A growing body of research suggests these plant-based compounds are incredibly beneficial for heart health, helping to maintain the flexibility of blood vessels. They have also been noted to help gently balance hormones and may even alleviate some of the common symptoms associated with menopause. To unlock its potential, the key is preparation. For a savory breakfast scramble, forget the eggs and simply crumble a block of firm tofu into a skillet with a dash of turmeric for that familiar yellow color, some black pepper, and your favorite seasonings. For a perfect crispy addition to salads or noodle dishes, press the water out of a block of extra firm tofu, cut it into cubes, toss with a bit of soy sauce and garlic powder, and then bake or air fry until golden brown. And thanks to its flavor-absorbing nature, it's a natural star in any stir-fry. Just add it to a wok with your favorite colorful vegetables for a quick, balanced, and muscle-supporting meal.
So there you have it, 5 nutritional powerhouses hiding in plain sight. We've covered the humble, highly effective egg, the dual-action protein of Greek yogurt, the lean, mean chicken breast, the incredibly frugal and fibrous duo of beans and lentils, and the sophisticated, complete plant-based protein, tofu. The journey to regaining and building strength after 60 isn't paved with expensive tubs of powder or exclusive, high-priced ingredients. It's built on a foundation of wisdom and making smarter choices in the grocery aisle. Each of these 5 foods is a testament to that fact. They aren't just cheap, they are uniquely suited to the needs of a mature body, offering high-quality, easily absorbable protein that fuels real, functional strength without burdening your wallet or your digestive system. Think about what that strength truly means. It's the confidence to lift your suitcase into the overhead bin on your next trip. It's the joy of keeping up with your grandkids in the park. It's the simple, profound freedom of knowing you can handle daily tasks with ease and without a second thought. That feeling of struggling to get out of a deep chair, that does not have to be your story. Every meal is an opportunity to rewrite that narrative. By consciously choosing to include these powerful foods in your diet, you are doing more than just eating. You are investing in your own independence. You are sending a clear, undeniable message to your body that it is not time to slow down, but time to rebuild. Your journey to a stronger, more resilient, and more confident you can literally start with your very next meal. If you believe, as I do, that your best and strongest days are still ahead, then make a commitment to yourself right now. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of a community that rejects the old narratives about aging. We are dedicated to providing evidence-based, no-nonsense tips for a vibrant, healthy life on any budget. And I truly want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these foods you're excited to try this week, or if you have a budget-friendly protein secret of your own to share. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.